Forget everything you think you know about learning Chinese. We're going to flip the script. Most courses make you memorize characters first, which can be super slow and frustrating. We're doing the opposite. Speak first, read later. Think about it. That's how you learned your first language as a baby. You spoke for years before you learned to read. So, what exactly is Pinyin? Simply put, it is a system that uses the same letters you were already familiar with the English alphabet to spell out the sounds of Mandarin Chinese. For example, the word for hello is written with the characters, but in Pinyin, it's just an hao. See, you can already read it. Now, here's the really cool part that most beginners miss. Pinyin has these little marks on top of the vowels, like a dash or a little face shape. These are called tones, and they are the absolute key to being understood. The same sound, like ma, can mean mother, hemp, horse, or to scold, all depending on how you say it, the tone you use. There are only 4 main tones, plus a neutral one. Imagine singing 4 little notes. The first is high and flat, M. The second goes up, like you're asking a question, M. The third dips down and then goes back up, M. And the fourth is a short, sharp drop, M. That's it. Mastering these 4 tones is the single most important thing you can do to sound like a native speaker. And it's way easier than memorizing thousands of characters. In our next video, we're going to practice these tones together with some super common words you can use right away. We'll make it fun and easy, I promise. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can start speaking and understanding basic conversations. So, if you're ready to unlock the secret to speaking Chinese fast, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next lesson.